What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Park Mazda. Today we're taking a look at the all-new 2022 Mazda Mazda3 GS front-wheel drive. This Mazda 3 is in Mazda signature color, the Soul Red Crystal Metallic. Very, very nice colorway here. The Mazda 3 GS also does come in an all-wheel drive model, and it does get the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine for both the front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Let's go take a look inside this Mazda 3. Now, taking a look at the driver door panel, you do have your soft touch leather armrest, the power windows, power mirrors, and your power locks up top beside the speaker. Now, on the left-hand side of the steering column, you do have your trunk release button, traction control on and off, the safety on and off, as well as a little bit of storage down below, the automatic high beams on the side here with your automatic headlights that you have there as well. And now on the left hand side of the steering wheel, you do get your voice recognition, answer and hang up, volume rocker, skipping and seeking, and your source select. And then you do have the big info button there to go through the screen, which we'll go through in just a second. And on the right hand side, you do have your cruise control settings, and of course you do get the adaptive cruise control, and then you have your automatic windshield wipers on the back there. So let's start up the Mazda 3 and see what it's all about. You're going to find your soft touch dash all the way around the Mazda 3 here as well, which is very, very nice. But taking a look at the dash and using the info button, we can scroll through the screen. So you do have your different driving information, your direction that you are facing, as well as your range, your average kilometers. You can tap the info button again, and then this was going to show you your adaptive cruise control. So you can turn on your cruise and set your following distances, as you do have 4 different following distances with your lane keep assist and lane departure warning. But you do have that, and then we hit the info button again. It'll show you an alert as we need to get fuel for the Mazda 3 here, but you're going to find your speedometer there, and then back to the driving information. So very, very nice. You are going to have your Mazda Connect screen, and with that new Mazda Connected Services they added late last year, we can go through and see into here. You can have your Mazda Connected Services, start the car through your phone, all that through here. So you can go into the connection. You can connect your phone through Bluetooth, as well as you can connect your phone through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have the different system settings. So into here you can set up that grace note, or you have the connected services. You can turn it on or off, which is very nice there. But now that we're already in the settings, we can take a look at the safety settings that you do get. You have your driver assistance system for your radar cruise control, as well as you have the attention alert, the safety alerts in here for the rear cross traffic alert, your lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring here as well, which the blind spot monitoring is going to show up in the top corners of the exterior mirrors. And you do have the lane keep assist system as well. And then you have your collision avoidance with your smart brake support. Back to the home screen of the Mazda Connect system, we can go up to the information and see the fuel efficiency, vehicle owner's manual, all that stuff. And then the entertainment, you have your AM, FM, Pandora, Bluetooth, USB, as well as your smartphone apps for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can connect your phone through Bluetooth, and you can get the available upgrade to get the Mazda navigation through the Park Mazda parts department. As we put the Mazda into reverse, you do get your backup camera with your guidance lines. But moving down below, to control the full screen, you're going to find your HMI commander. It's a tactile dial with 5 quick action buttons, as well as your volume rocker with all your multimedia controls down here. Super nice and easy to use. While your hand is down here, you have your electronic parking brake and auto hold, as well as your sport mode here as well. You have your soft touch armrest that is all leather all the way around here, and then you do have that premium cloth upholstery through the Mazda 3 GS. You are going to get your dual zone climate control here as well, with your auto and sync air, the heated seats for both the driver and passenger at 3 level settings, and the heated leather wrapped steering wheel. That is right beside the push button start. And then down below that, you're going to find you do have your storage down here with your 2 cup holders. And then you can open up the center console. You have a movable storage, so you can separate it. You have your 2 USBs here for your multimedia, the SD card slot for the available nav, and then a 12 volt here as well. But let's go take a look at the outside of the Mazda 3 GS. At the front of the Mazda 3 GS, you are going to find your black Grille, very nice looking grille. The Mazda logo up there, chrome accenting here as well. Bright LED headlights, awesome body lines for the Mazda 3. And as we work our way down to the rim here, you do have your Mazda alloy. That is a 16-inch alloy wheel. As we work our way to the back of the Mazda 3, you do have that really nice rear taillight design with the Mazda 3 badging, and then your Sky Active G badge here as well. And then as we pop the trunk, we can pop it by the keyless key here. You can hold down and it pops open nice and easily. You do have your cloth mats in the back here. The seats do fold down in a 60-40 split fold, so you can fold them down by the pull of the lever. And then under here you are going to find your spare tire. Let's go take a look at the rear seating. Now on the rear door panel, you do have that soft touch armrest just like the front. Nice grab handle here, power window controls, storage in the door panel. Lots of legroom in the back. These seats are all the way back right now, and you still have that legroom with that knee indent in the seat, which is very nice. Nice, awesome cloth upholstery in the rear here as well. The rear center armrest with 2 cup holders, and it's nice and soft. You can fold that away nice and easily as well. Thank you for watching this quick overview of the 2022 Mazda 3 GS. If you have questions about the Mazda 3 GS and want to know more information about the 2022 models, please visit parkmazda.ca. At that time, you can find out all the information about the Mazdas, as well as book one for a qualified test drive. With a qualified test drive, you get a $25 Visa gift card. We hope to see you guys soon, and have a great rest of your day.